So if you remember, about a month ago, I released the paper rolling effect. So now I have a version 2. Let's see what are the new features. So as always, you can download it from my Patreon, then unzip it, then just double click on this TRFX file. And if you have the previous version installed, then it will ask for the overwrite. Just click on overwrite and it will get installed. Then you can go to the effects panel, then effect, and let me explain. And you can see it has a new thumbnail, which means this is the version 2. Then you can drag and drop it to your clip and the effect will be applied just like before. What new has been added, if you go to the inspector panel, then effects, first complaint was it was too bright. So now you can make it a little more dim. And if you want to make it more darker, you can always put a higher value here. So let's type 8 and then enter and it will be more darker. Same goes for the backlight. And if you want to remove the lights like permanently, then you can just untick this lighting and it will show you your normal image. Let's turn on lighting because I think that looks better. And another thing I have added is a solid color on the back. Man, that was so hard to figure out. So now you can just take solid back and it will have a solid back, just like a paper. So now finally the paper roll name is justified. From here you can change the color of the back. Let's get yellow. There you go, yellow back. And from here you can also choose gradient and have a gradient color. And if you go to this drop down and select fusion overlay, it will give you these handles. You can click and drag to adjust the gradient. And then you have a gradient back. And then most of the things are same. And you can see there's another feature which is scale. Now this option is for special occasions. If I go to a different aspect ratio, this is a vertical form. Let's take this balloon. Even if I scale this balloon down and then apply my effect, then you will see it will get large. By using the size, it will resize everything. So I added this scale value. By using this, you can only adjust the size of the image and it will also works on the PNGs. I hope you would like this new update. Let me know what you think.